Today, we're tackling a question that a lot of you have been asking: how long does it take to get your money out of Raiz? Now, if you're new to Raiz, it's a micro-investing app that makes it super easy to start investing, even with small amounts. It's a great way to build wealth over time, but what happens when you need your money back? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, withdrawing money from Raiz is generally pretty straightforward. You can do it through the app or the website. But before we get into the specifics, it's important to note that there might be a few factors that can influence how long it takes. Factors affecting withdrawal time. Withdrawal method: the method you choose to withdraw your money can affect the processing time. For example, withdrawing to your bank account might take a bit longer than withdrawing to a linked Raiz card. Raiz processing time: Raiz itself has a processing time for withdrawals. This is typically a few business days. Your bank's processing time: once Raiz has processed your withdrawal, it will send the money to your bank. Your bank might also have its own processing time, which can vary depending on the bank. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's break down the steps involved in withdrawing money from Raiz. Log into your account. The first step is to log into your Raiz account using the app or website. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Look for the section that allows you to withdraw your money. It's usually labeled something like withdraw funds or cash out. Choose your withdrawal method. Select the method you want to use to withdraw your money. This could be a bank transfer, a Raiz card, or another option available in your region. Enter the withdrawal amount. Specify the amount of money you want to withdraw. Make sure it's within the limits set by Raiz. Confirm your withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal and confirm it. Once you confirm, the withdrawal process will begin. How long to expect? So, how long should you expect to wait for your money? As we mentioned earlier, it can vary depending on several factors. However, a reasonable estimate is around 3 to 5 business days. This includes Raiz processing time and your bank's processing time. Important notes. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Raiz might have minimum withdrawal amounts. Make sure to check the terms and conditions for any restrictions. Withdrawal fees. Some withdrawal methods might involve fees. It's important to be aware of any charges that may apply. In conclusion, withdrawing money from Raiz is generally a straightforward process. The time it takes can vary, but you can expect it to be completed within a few business days. If you have any further questions or need more specific information, don't hesitate to reach out to Raiz customer support. They're always happy to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, happy investing.